Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add sections to a board on Pinterest. So go to your profile, select the fifth icon on the bottom tab to the right, and you are just going to, for instance, select a board. I'm just going to select this Valorant one. And to add a section, click on the plus button over here and press add a section. And here, for instance, you want to add Sage as a section. For instance, it's like a TV show and there's like a lot of characters that you've saved and you just want to separate them into like folders and sections. Press next and select the pins that have something to do with Sage, which is like almost all of it. So once I've done that, I'm just going to press done, and as you can see, it is sort of in its own separate folder. I forgot to put this in the section, but I think do it in edit pin, board section, choose section, and press Sage, and then press done. And as you can see, it is separated in its own section. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!